Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'll just be doing some few limit problems. Yeah, for your exams. I'm basically preparing you for your exam that is coming. Okay. So basically, let me try to write the problems down. Can you be patient as I try to write them down, please? Okay. We have something like this. Yes, the limit as x approaches infinity. Okay, the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 x cubed. Okay, 2x cubed plus, okay, pardon me there for my handwriting, plus sine x squared all over, okay, all over 1 plus x cubed. So basically, when we are dealing with this kind of limit, the limit when as x approaches infinity of 2x cubed plus sine x squared 1 plus over 1 plus x to the power 3. Okay, basically we are looking at the largest power. Okay, we are looking at the largest power and try to divide everything by the largest power. You can divide, or you can either divide or take out a common factor. So basically I'll just be dividing and just taking out the common factor. Okay, so I think we will have something like this. Okay, okay, a little problem with network there. Okay, we have something like this. Let me try to check the ink. Okay, we have something like this. The limit as x, okay, approaches infinity. Then basically here we are going to divide all by the third power, okay, by x to the power 3, because it is the highest number. Basically, when we are dealing with limit, I will repeat this. When we are dealing with limit as something approaches infinity, we divide by x by the largest power, basically the factor that has the largest power. Okay, so basically I'll just be saying 2x cubed. Okay, 2x cubed all over x cubed. Okay, as I try to do these equations, I hope you are also doing them right, so that you can basically understand. Okay, okay, then we have, okay, sine you. Let me try to use the marker. I've got a network problem, but don't worry, just be patient as I try to solve this equation. So basically we will have sine x squared. Okay, we also divide this particular sine x squared by the third power, by x to the power 3. Yes, because it is the largest power, like I have said. Okay, I hope the loud in the back doesn't yeah, doesn't distract you or doing, such. Okay, so I will try to be audible as possible so that yeah, everything will be fine. So we all divide by okay, we all divide by 1. Okay, we all divide by 1 over x cubed. Okay, plus okay, x cubed over x cubed. I'll be out of order now. Okay, basically here the x will cancel x. Okay, let me just use another marker to describe this particular. Okay, let me use the red one. Okay, here the x. Okay, the x cubed will cancel x cubed, and yeah, then here we are going to have 0 here. Why do we have 0? Okay, because this is particularly the largest number. Okay, we are dividing 1 by the largest number, so basically it is going to be 0. Okay, then we are going to look at this part, x cubed over x cubed, which is particularly going to be 1. Why is it 1? Okay, we know why. Okay, x over x is 1. 1 over any number divided by itself is 1, basically. So basically here I'm more interested in here. So yes, I'm more interested in here. So let me write the equation. Okay, um we will have something like this. The limit Sx approaches infinity. Okay, the limit as x approaches infinity. Here they cancel each other there again, and we are going to have 2. Okay, then this one we leave it as it is. Okay, we leave it as sine. Okay, we leave it as sine. A little bit of space here, but I hope you understand what I'm doing here. We leave it as sine x cubed over okay, sine x squared over um x cubed. Okay, maybe the problem is that I used the bigger ink, but okay, that's not a problem. Oh, that's the problem, but don't worry about it. So basically we are going to have 0 here. Like I have said, we this is the largest, particularly the largest number. So 1 divided by the largest number is 0. Basically, yeah, it's 0. Okay, 0 plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1, right? So basically I will just erase some of the things here so that we can have more space. Okay, here and here and here and here and here, so that we can have more space. I hope you have written it. You have yeah, you are busy solving with me as I try to solve problem so that you can have a better idea. Okay, so I'll be dropping some more videos, yeah, more videos next week. So yes, then we have the limit. Okay, I'm continuing it right here, right? I am continuing it here. I'm continuing the what I was doing here at the shop. Yo, yes, I can do this, I can do this. Yeah, we have the limit. I hope you can see better. Okay, yeah, I hope you can see. Let me just zoom in, basically. Let me just zoom in. Okay, x limit as x approaches. infinity, okay, limit as x approaches infinity of 2, because we already cancelled out those ones, of 2 plus, okay, sine. Okay, I'm having a problem with network now, but yeah, we are solving this. We are doing this. We are doing this. We are doing this. Okay, sine x squared over x cubed. Yeah, basically it's divided by 1, but I'll just leave it as it is now. Oh, so basically I nearly forget. Okay, when you should know the difference between the following sine. You should know the difference between sine squared x and sine x squared. Okay, you should know the difference between the two. I hope the loud in the back doesn't distract you. Okay, sine x squared x and sine, yeah, and sine x squared. You should know the difference between the two, because very important. The lecturer will just write sine x squared and set it as your exam. Then yeah, you get distracted and all those things. Okay, yeah, you should know the difference between the two. I hope you can see it, the sine squared x and sine x squared. Okay, so let's continue with what we were doing here. Okay, now we have the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 plus sine x squared over x cubed. Okay, then I think we are going to have the limit as x approaches, I hope you can see it, as x approaches infinity of 2. Okay, this 2 will leave it like this. Okay, we are more interested in this one. Okay, this particular problem. Then here we still have sine x squared. We have sine x squared as we have before. Sine x squared. Okay. Then we divide by, okay, here we can split the this particular, yeah, this x cubed, we can split it into x squared. We can split it into x squared multiplied by x. Okay, why do I split it? Okay, I split it so that we can have, okay, I split it so that we can have, I split it so that we can have this particular thing. Okay, so that we can have something like this. I split it so that we can have something like this. Okay, sine x, sine x, something like sine x over x. Okay, we all know that sine x over x is equal to 1. Okay, that's what we know. Okay, sine x over x is equal to 1, and x over sine x is equal to 1. Okay, so basically here, that's what we have here. Let me just use another marker to explain this part. Is very important. So that's just what we have here, is sine x squared. Okay, that's just what we have, sine x squared over x squared. Okay, isn't it? Sine x squared over x squared is just like sine x over sine x, because our x squared here is just as x squared in the denominator. So basically we are going to have, I'll just be continue with it here. Okay, so basically um we have the limit, as x approaches infinity. Always write this limit. Okay, always write this limit. It's very important. Okay, and we have the limit as x approaches infinity. Okay, of 2 plus, okay, 2 plus, yes, the marker is doing the problems again, but don't worry, okay, 2 plus 1 over x, 1 over x, okay, why do we have 1 over x? Why do this thing should not confuse you, right? Okay, why do we have 1 over x? We have 1 over x here because it's just as like 1 multiplied by, okay, again we said that, okay, we said that sine x squared over x squared is equal to 1. So basically we have 1, the network so basically let me just take another marker, just bear with me, okay, we have 1, just bear with me, okay, 1 times, okay, 1 over x, that's what we have here, because sine x over, yeah, sine x squared over x squared is equal to 1. So basically that's what we have here, and here you can substitute, okay, no, we don't substitute, okay, yeah, we don't substitute because even this one is very important, okay, when you put 0, it's just like writing the equation without substitution, okay, when we have 0, okay, we have 2 plus 0, okay, why do we have 2 plus 0? Okay, we have 2 plus 0 because uh this x approaches infinity, and then here we are going to basically substitute by infinity, so 1 over infinity is 0, 1 over infinity is 0, you see, 1 over infinity is equal to 0, so basically our answer is going to be equal to 2. Yes, our answer is going to be equal to 2. So yeah, it's very important to know these steps. It's very important to write everything, basically write everything, or yeah, this particular problem involve only few steps, okay, you divide by the highest factor, the highest common factor, okay, after dividing by the highest common factor, some numbers will just finish like 0, okay, like here 1 over x cubed is 0, we write 0 or you leave it alone, okay, it's just few steps, then yeah, you are done basically, okay, so yeah, that's what I had for you, okay, thank you very much for watching my video, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends to subscribe, okay, thank you very much guys, good luck for your exam, I'll be dropping some more videos